is only gonna cost you small of now. Okay?
Okay, I'm by the car now.
Hello?
I'm by the car now.
I know, sweetheart said you're supposed to carry a small fee with you. That is not gonna cost you any much. That is only gonna cost you small of now, sweetheart.
Okay, so what?
It can be processed at the web.
Okay, so what's the fee? What's the fee? What's the fee?
Okay, the fee only gonna cost you $150, sweetheart.
Okay.
That is not gonna cost you any much, sweetheart, for the processing fee.
Okay.
So the money can be released at the Western Union.
Okay.
Did you think you have the $150 in you right now?
Yes, I have $150.
Okay, keep me on the line, sweetheart. When you reach at the parking lot, you let me know so I can provide you with the merchant banker name. What you're gonna be used so the merchant banker can do the process for you. So the money can be released at the Union for you, and then you're gonna head up the bank for the checks and the car.
I'm
not gonna ask you that.
I'm pulling in the parking lot right now. I'm pulling in the parking lot right now.
Okay, sweetheart, keep me on the line. What I need you to do, when you go into the Western Union store, I need you to get a sender form, and you're gonna set that outside. So I provide you with the further information.
Okay.
What you're gonna be used to send the $150 so the lawyer can do the process. The same name what you're gonna send the $150 to. The same name. That's $20,000 is coming from. Okay.
All right, I just walked in here now.
Hello?
Yeah, I just walked in here.
Okay. Get the form. Get the form and get that outside, sweetheart.
All right.
When you get it, you let me know. Keep me on the line.
All right.
Get the form and set that outside. Yeah.
All right, I got it. Okay, so what's the number?
Did you get the form?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so quick, you got the form, sweetheart?
Yeah, because the Western Union is that right here. It's a very small one. I just walked in and grabbed it.
Okay. And what I need you to do, I need you to write the first name, the merchant banker name, what you're going to be in use, sweetheart. It's a Shane Campbell. That is S as in orange, so O as in orange, S as in Sam, H as in hardware, A as in apple, N as in Nancy, T as in England. A Shane.
Oh, Shane, okay.
Okay? And the last name is Campbell. That is C as in cat, A as in apple.
Yeah, I know how to spell Campbell. I know how to spell Campbell.
Okay, you know the spelling.
Yes.
Okay, and then you're gonna go 154. East Main Street.
East what?
East Main Street.
Lane?
East Main Street, 154 East Main Street. Kingston, Jamaica.
Okay.
That is the lawyer what's gonna take care of the processing. The cheaper rate, so the money can be processed and being paid out to you, because we don't want IRS taxes to be claimed on you, sweetheart.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm gonna say, you're gonna put Kingston, Jamaica. You're gonna put Jamaica 2 times.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put a capital W with a capital R.
Okay.
That's the name and the address you're gonna be. That's the name and the address you're gonna be send $150 to, so the money can be processed quick for you and pay out to you. When you send it, you're gonna set that outside and get the confirmation number, so you're gonna get that inside, so the money can be released. Remember, I am the one who's gonna give you the confirmation number to be used, so the money can be released. Okay?
All right. Hold on.
Okay, just keep me on the line. And one of those persons asks you any question, just tell them is one of your lawyer you send it to. Okay?
All right. Hold on.
Okay, sweetheart, just keep me on the line.
All right. You see how them take people for fool though. Me a blood clot Jamaican and him a try scam me. I try scam me. And me a Jamaican, all them thing there. But me a play the fool, you know. People, on the hear name, or Shane Campbell, on the hear him address, on the call the police and send them at them yard. Them need to stop the fuckery. People work too hard for them money. For them to do them fuckery. Yeah. My family live in Jamaica. Me have to work hard for take care of my family. I wanna try scam me. Really? Alright. Yes. I'm done.
Okay, did you have it done?
Yes.
Okay, and how much did you take to send it, sweetheart?
$11.
How much money? How much?
$11.
Okay, we'll have $1. So what I need you to do, I need you to look on the back of the receipt, FUCN number. It's a 10-digit number.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, hello?
Okay.
Hello, you listening?
Yes, sweetheart. Yes, sweetheart.
All right.
Yes, I'm here, sweetheart.
All right.
Yes, go ahead with the number.
Only need to stop scam bumbo clad people. Go get a fucking work. Wanna call people phone and scam them for. People work too hard for them fucking money for not try scam them. The whole time you talk to a Jamaican, you never fucking know says a Jamaican you talk to. Go look at work, a police me a send come here right fucking now. On too fucking disgusting. Yeah, gunshot, yeah. Alright, a gunshot for gunshot, pussy hole, me have gun too. On too fucking disgusting. Alright, a gunshot for gunshot, pussy hole. Alright, just wait. A gunshot for gunshot, yeah. Yeah. Can our fucking people are work hard for their money and I come scam them. Go fuck off. Me have your number, everything. Me I put up this on Facebook and everywhere. Yeah, fuck off. Go fuck off. Oh, they're too fucking disgusting. Go suck your mama about gunshot for gunshot. Go suck your big pussy mama, pussy hole. And send anybody where you want to send come a blood clot, Georgia. Let me get to light up them blood clot. Yeah, send them come the pussy hole. Send them come. Come here have every gun for the mama blood clot. You feel like say a joke thing this? You feel like, yo, the whole on for go, you know. The whole on for go. You see me? People are work hard for their money. That's why it's on the dirty Jamaican people. My mama tell you, you know. You're not gonna get food no one here. People work too hard for them fucking things. They come and scam people. Go look at fucking work, pussy hole. Pussy hole, go look at work. Go look at work, pussy hole. I know say you are the idiot. You say you are the idiot. Cause the whole time I know say you're a scammer and I play the game with you. You're a fucking fool. Yeah. Yeah, for your thief from me. You can't thief from me, big man. Big man, you can't thief from me. You can't thief from me. Only for know who not call. Only for know who not call before you call people. That's only for know who not call for the call. Hey, anyone me see you.